Yep.
Hi.
See you later. Alright, so I'm on the way to look at a HUSQVARNA EE5, little electric dirt bike. Sold this CR125, man. Had to make a sacrifice for Sebastian. Got some other stuff I'm saving for, so didn't want to fork out a bunch of money on a dirt bike right now, but man, these kids are getting faster and I don't want them to get left behind, so I made a sacrifice, sold my 125, told myself I'll never do it, but we're on the way to look at the e-bike, and hopefully it comes out to be a good deal, and yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, so it's the next day. I made it back last night. I made it back like 9:40 or so. Too late to show Sebastian the bike, but yeah, we got it. We got a HUSQVARNA EE5 2021. Might not be new to you guys, but definitely new for us, new for him, new for me. There it is. He hasn't gotten a chance to see it yet. It's the next day. It's about almost 2:30 p.m. Might even be 3. I don't know. The time slipped away, but we've been out all day across town. So it's gonna be a first time. We're gonna surprise him, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know. We'll see what. We're gonna see what we get ourselves into out here. All right.
All right.
But. Yep. But it's Halloween. It's a good day.
Bestest day.
Yep.
The best year of nights.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Thank you! Can I ride it?
If Mama says it's okay.
If you wear your helmet.
Yeah, I will.
But hey, on this one, I know you know how to ride Brooks, but we're gonna start off on the first slow mode, okay? So you can.
Number 1?
Yeah, so you can get used to it, alright?
Alright.
You like it?
Why is it a little ripped like?
Well, we can fix it.
What do you think about it?
So good.
So good?
So sick.
Okay, you can go ahead and go.
Can I ride in the street?
No, not right now.
Okay.
Only on the grass for now, okay?
If you twist the throttle, it will straighten back up. Bike's a little big on them. Gonna have to drop it down some, but and what are you gonna? Huh?
How he said, is that mine?
What are you gonna be for Halloween tonight?
I'm just gonna be a mom.
A mom.